This time. This is in response to a British national who got lost in the hilly terrain of the Ballards Valley area. The information reaching the police is that the individual went for a nature walk and was unable to locate his way back to the house. And so a call was made to the police. This search is being conducted jointly between the Jamaica Defence Force, which is supported by the JDF Air Wing, the JCF, and hundreds of citizens from the Ballards Valley area. We also have the K9 from both the JDF and the JCF as we speak, conducting checks in several areas. We would have already gone through miles of terrain, and the search is still ongoing as we continue our efforts to locate this individual.